everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Ukea here. If you're a newbie, welcome aboard. If you are my subscriber, welcome back. Thank you so much for all the love and support that you guys are sharing with me, and I really appreciate it from my bottom of my heart. Once again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and of course follow me on Instagram. We are going to be doing a beginner series of how to wear fake lashes. I'm actually on my way out and I thought this is the good opportunity to go ahead and wear my fake lashes and show you guys how I wear my fake false lashes. And I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. With this, let's go ahead and get started. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys already know that I have collaborated with Azeredo lashes. These are cruelty-free lashes and they're vegan, and of course they're very easy to wear, extremely comfortable to wear, and I really love these. You can check them out on their Instagram page, and of course I do have a 10% discount with them if you guys want to order lashes. They also do have a tutorial in there if you guys are interested to see. They do ship worldwide, so if you guys are interested to invest in some fake lashes, they are a good price, so I really recommend you guys buying these if you are interested. So first and foremost, before applying false lashes, we have to ensure that our eyelashes are all same color. There's no eyeshadow fall off from your eyeshadow application to your lashes. So it's always good to use a mascara and quickly just curl everything in one same color. In that way it's easier, not also easier, but it looks consistent with your eyelashes you are going to be putting. I am using the Nars Climax. I really like this new mascara from Nars, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply them to my lashes. I like that these do give you that dramatic look, but I want extra dramatic look today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to of course open them from the box quickly, and I've already sized this lashes to my eyes. Usually what I would do, place them on my lash line and measure them and see if I need to cut from the other end or not, but I don't need to anymore. So I'm going to quickly use my lash applicator from Velour, and I'm going to quickly put them on. I'm ahead and use the lash glue from House of Lashes. I really like this one. I'm gonna go ahead and put the glue on the lash band, and I would then wait for like 30 seconds or less. I don't want them to be super dry, a bit semi-dry. In that way I'm able to play around the lashes when I put them in my eyes. So if you can see, they're already glued, almost like green color. That indicates that they're ready. I'm gonna go ahead and hold them here and place my hand on my vanity. Always make sure to have that control so it's easier. I have my big mirror with me, so it's easier to place. Make sure to close your eyes and then put the lashes on. Usually just put it in the middle and play around, wiggle them however you want them. So with that, I'm going to close my eyes, and always make sure to put it on your lash line here, so however you're comfortable. Perfect. If you can see, they are already in place. I'm just gonna wait for them to dry, and in the meantime I'm gonna do the other eye similarly. Like this, and now that they're super techy and almost green, I'm gonna close my eyes, give myself that support, pull them how I want. As I said, this Azeredo lashes are very easy to apply. Just took me minute seconds. I'm gonna wait for them to dry, and I'm gonna go ahead and quickly pinch this side with my lashes to make sure that they're all intact. I pinched them with my lashes. You can use an applicator or your finger, however you're comfortable. Now I'm gonna do the same on the other eye. So there we are. I've already put my lashes on. Thank you, mirror. I don't need you anymore. So now that I've put my lashes on, I don't want them to look like extra, because I want to make sure that my lash line color matches. So I'm going to use Anastasia Dark Side, and I'm going to open my eyes and I'm gonna put them in. So at the end, once this is done, I'm gonna brush lashes with my lashes so then they're all together. All right guys, so I have already put on my lashes and I'm ready to go out. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and all the details on the products that I use will be on the description below. See you guys in my next video. Goodbye.